Yes.
Yes, okay.
First, you need one chili, and garlic. Yeah, put it like 3 or 4, and then pound it until it breaks well, like this.
Mushy, yeah?
Yes, mushy. Okay, it takes around 1 minute until it like this. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Nice.
And then you put beans.
From hard to soft, is it?
Beans.
From hard to soft. Yeah?
And from hard to soft, the hardest one first. Yep. Like this. And
Let
you
it.
pound it until it breaks. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. And then you put penis. Penis.
Even proeven. Zijn het gezouten?
And, yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Around 2 tablespoons. Mhm. And pound it until it breaks. See? Okay, I think it's great. And then you season it by lime. Okay. 1 lime is nice. Okay. Lime. Okay. Then you put tamarind sauce.
Oh, that's the trick.
Yes. Make the taste a little bit complicated. Around 1 teaspoon or 2. And then sugar. I recommend palm sugar.
Yes.
I don't recommend sugar. Around, if you like it sweet, you put like 2 or 3. I put 2.5 because it's a little mild compared to Thai palm sugar. It's a Malaysian one.
Even kijken hoe dat eruit ziet. Yes.
And then I put fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Around 1 tablespoon.
Yes.
Yeah. You just put a little bit first.
Gezondheid.
You can taste later. And then you just let you. Yeah, like this. And then you put this. Tomato. Tomato. And you massage.
Not so hard.
Not so hard, like this, until the juice come out, and it's gonna be like a salad dressing.
The tamarind is already in, eh?
Tamarind and sugar. See, and then this is the highlight, so you can taste. You wanna taste?
How do you taste with your finger?
Yeah, taste with like this. If it's like good or not. For me it's good. So take 1 spoon and you taste it. Yeah, I like this taste. Very good. Yeah. Like it?
Perfect.
Nice.
Yeah,
Perfect.
very, very, very nice.
Okay, and then if you satisfied with the taste, you put the last thing. This
Yes.
corn and avocado and anything you like. You can put like
Eel.
And
yes,
fish.
and everything you want, and then you stir.
With a spoon.
You stir.
You don't
by
need
the spoon.
the sack anymore, the sack.
Yes, because it's soft. If you punch it or you massage it, it's gonna break and it's not gonna be good.
And it's important to realize bottoms up here, bottoms up.
Bottoms up here,
Because the
like this.
juice is in the bottom.
Yeah, the juice in the bottom, and you just bottoms up like this. See, it takes only like 5 minutes to cook.
Yeah.
You can prepare everything in the fridge and you throw everything in crock. See? And now you enjoy.